Hello and welcome to all of you. I hope you all are fine, children. I'm very excited starting the Unit 3 syllabus from today. And I'm going to start with chapter number 9. The name of the chapter is Measurement and Exercise 9A. So let us start today's video. But before that, if you haven't subscribed the channel, then subscribe it and press the bell icon too so that we can get all the notification whenever I will upload the video. Okay. So measurement is a little bit tricky chapter because here we will study about a lot of units. Especially in 9A, we are going to study about the length. Okay, length is a unit. Length is a quantity and its unit is meter. But meter is not the only unit of length. There are so many units to measure the length, for example, centimeter, for example, millimeter, kilometer, hectometer, decimeter, and all the units are given here in this chart. As you can see, kilometer, hectometer, decameter, meter, decimeter, centimeter, and millimeter. And there are the different rules to convert any unit into another unit. Okay, so we have to learn all those rules. This chart is given in your book, and below this chart there are 4 boxes. Look at into your book. There are 4 boxes and there are rules written that how to convert a given unit into a different unit. Okay, students, there is a trick by which we can convert a given unit into another one. And what is that unit? For example, I have told you that in this chapter we have to convert a unit into another unit. So I'm going to tell you a simple trick which will help you to convert a given unit into another one. And this trick is called stair trick. Stair, we know stairs. Okay, so this is a stair. This is kilometer. This is hectometer, HM. This is decameter, DAM. This is meter. This is decimeter, DM. This is centimeter, CM. And this is millimeter, MM. Okay. How many stairs are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. 7 stairs are there. Now the rule is that if you will go from bottom to the top, you have to divide. And if you are coming from top to the bottom, you have to multiply. These 2 rules you have to keep in mind, and you have to understand and learn this stair. Okay, then you don't have to learn all the formulas, all the rules which are given in the book. This is a short trick by which you can convert any unit into any another unit. Okay, so we will understand it later, but first you have to keep in mind that if we are going from top to the bottom, we have to multiply, and we are going from bottom to the top, we have to divide. And for each stair, we have to divide or multiply by 10. For example, if we are going from bottom to the top, for one stair we have to divide by 10. Okay, if we are going 2 stairs up, so we have to divide by 100. Look at this. Suppose you are standing on millimeter and you have to go on decimeter, so you are going up. So I have told you, whenever you will go up, you have to divide. First of all, you have to divide. Look, this video is an introduction video, and if you will not understand and watch this video carefully, you are not going to understand the whole chapter. So that is why this first video is very, very, very important. You have to watch this video with great focus. So understand this, what I'm going to tell you. So you have to go from millimeter to decimeter. So how many stairs you are going up? Stair 1 and stair 2. So you have to divide by 100. If you are going up 3 stairs, so you have to divide by 1000. If you are going 4 stairs up, you have to divide by 10,000. In the same way, wait. In the same way, if you are standing on, let's say, hectometer, and you have to come to the decameter, so you are coming down. So for coming down, I have told you, you have to multiply. And how many stairs you are coming down? Only one. So you have to multiply by 10. If you are coming from hectometer to meter, so you are coming 2 stairs down. So you have to multiply by 100. If you are coming from hectometer to decameter, so you are coming 3 stairs down. So you have to multiply by 1000 and so on. So this is a simple trick by which you can do all these questions easily, and you don't have to learn all the conversion units. Okay, otherwise you have to learn all the conversion units. So let us do now today's exercise, which is 9a. This is exercise 9a. Fill in the blanks, and part A is question 1. Part A is 1 kilometer and convert it into hectometer. So as you can see here, you are standing at kilometer and you have to come on hectometer. So you are standing here right now. You are standing on kilometer and you have to come on hectometer. So you are coming down. So you have to multiply, and one stair coming down means you have to multiply by 10. So when you will multiply this 1 by 10, you will get 10. So the answer will be 10 hectometer. Okay, 10 hectometer. This will be the answer. So this is so simple. Once you understand the basic fundamental concept, then you will be able to do all the questions. 1 decameter. Decameter, we call it DAM. Okay, DAM means decameter and DM means decimeter. So don't get confused between these two things. So we have to convert 1 decameter into what? Into decimeter. So now if we look at the staircase, right now in this question you are standing uh, wait, okay, wait for a minute. Yeah, so basically I was telling you, I'm again drawing the stair. Okay, you also have to understand, and you have to you should be able to draw this stair. Kilometer, okay, then hectometer, decameter, and then meter, then decimeter, and then centimeter, and then millimeter. So in the previous question, what you have to do? Convert decameter into decimeter. So you are standing on decameter, you are standing right now here, and you have to come to the decimeter. Okay, so 2 stairs, you are coming down, so you have to multiply, and 2 stairs means multiply by 100. As many stairs, as many zeros. Okay, 1 stair means 1 0, 2 stair means 2 0. So you have to multiply by 100. So when you will multiply 1 by 100, so your answer will be 100. 100 decameter. 1 decameter is equal to 100 decimeter. Fine. So students, let us do the next question, which is uh, let's say 1 centimeter is equal to decameter, and this is part E. 1 centimeter is equal to decameter. So look at the staircase. You are standing on centimeter now. You are standing on centimeter and you have to go to the decameter. means you have to go here. So you are going upside, so you have to divide 1 stair, 2 stair, 3 stair, means you have to divide by 1000. Okay, you have to divide by 1000. So you, when you will divide 1, this 1 by 1000, so you will write 1 upon 1000 decameter, and this will be the answer. So once you understand the concept, so you don't have to worry about it. All the questions will become easy for you. Okay, now let us do the second okay, let us do the second question now. And second question says, using the reference chart given below, fill in the blanks. Part A, 11.8 kilometer, and you have to convert it into decameter. So in order to convert 1 kilometer into decameter, what do you have to do? So now you are standing on kilometer and you have to come on decameter. You are coming down, so you have to multiply in how many stairs? 1 and 2. So you have to multiply by 100. So if you have to multiply by 100, then multiply 11.8 by 100. So यहाँ से point remove करोगे, 1 0 will increase and 0 0 will cancel each other. It will be 118 multiplied by 10. So 1180. So write 1180 decameter. This will be the answer. Okay. So this is the required answer. Now let us do one more question. Question, let's say E. Question E is 15.3 centimeter and you have to convert it into decameter. Decameter. So you are standing now on centimeter. Fine. So you are here right now on centimeter and you have to convert it into decameter. So you are going up, you have to divide how many stairs? 1, 2, 3. So you have to divide by 1000. Okay. So now let us do this. You have to divide 15.3 and divide it by 1000. So since there are 3 zeros in the denominator, you have to shift this decimal left hand side, because in the decimal chapter in UT2 course we have already studied the decimal chapter, and I have told you when you are dividing, so decimal will shift left hand side 3, because there are 30 to 3 digits we have to shift, but there are only 2 digits, so we will increase 1 0 and then we will shift it. So the answer will be 0.0153. 0.0153. This will be the answer. So in this way we are going to convert the given quantities, given units. Okay, so this is all for today. Do this exercise and send me your answers on the group. Thank you.